my connections are dropping like flies because of AI, but not me. I train harder. One last chance for glory. One last chance for employment. I don't know why they're wasting my time with hey, welcome to the last round of interviews. I'll be giving you a project to code. If you can beat the AI models, I guess we'll hire you. Do you have any questions before we start? Okay, so you'll be making a to-do list. You can start whenever you're ready and I'll start the AI on it. Oh my god. You actually did it. I can't believe it. I didn't think I'd ever say this. You're hired. We'll see you on Monday. The last time I experienced something like that was with my ex. Hey. Yeah, OpenAI just released their newest model and it's much faster. You're fired. Bye.